Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the default web browser on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the white circle icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the App menu, open Settings. Select Google Play Store and then select Manage Android Preferences. In Android Preferences, click Apps and Notifications. Click Default Apps, then Browser App. Choose the web browser you want to use as default. You will need to have the browser already installed to be able to choose it here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.